Okay, so we're doing the blind, deaf, and mute challenge
Hey guys.
for my channel. She's kind of blind. Okay, ready?
This is how Helen felt.
Hey, show the camera.
Okay,
Okay, I'm deaf
oh
now.
my god. Stop screaming.
What?
Let's start, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna put.
God.
I'm gonna put the.
Whoever had a dream that
I'm gonna put the brownie batter in. Wait, Brittany, can you heat the oven to 350?
Why are you yelling? Listening to Jingle. Let it go.
It's the pan.
Bro, it's so loud.
Can this go in the oven? Oh, okay.
Oh!
Stop touching me! Do you have kitchen
Oh
scissors?
God.
Whoa.
Did you just lick my hand? Squirting on me.
What about squirting?
Where do I go?
Pour it. What?
Where?
Wait,
Here.
pour.
Good?
Good job, Rachel.
Yay!
Oh, Rachel,
Yes.
come here. Okay? Okay, pour it.
Yay!
I'm gonna do the egg. No egg whites? I don't know what that means.
Ow!
Oh, wait.
Ow! What?
Rachel? I don't know that. You want Rachel to do that? I know.
She can't hear you. Is she writing something down?
Shall I know? Crack it on the bowl. Rachel!
Oh my god! You don't need to scream! Good?
Scrape the side.
God! I'm right here!
What? Don't touch me.
I didn't mean to! Huh?
What are you trying to tell her?
What are you talking to?
What the f are you doing?
What do you do? I'm scared.
Oh,
Scared. What'd you do? Ah, what is that? It's warm. It's warm. Oh, thank you. It's good.
Sorry.
Oh, let me taste it. I'll tell you if it's good. Oh,
Is she trying to eat the pasta?
I think a little bit more. Maybe.
It's frozen.
Bro.
I got it. Jesus shit, that scared me.
Good. Oh,
Rachel, wait. Pause, stay still.
Okay.
Okay, come here. Okay, this is the pan, okay? This is the pan,
Okay.
and this
Okay.
is the thing. Pour it. Just hold it still. Hold the pan, hold the pan.
Oh my god, it's squirting on me.
Brittany, I think the pan's too big. Ooh!
Brittany, check on the pasta.
And the other. Put butter.
Oh! Ah! Oh! Being harassed. I see you, Brittany. Oh, I'm scared. You're gonna hurt me. Don't hurt me.
What? It's 8 by 8.
Stop trying to pick my nose, Brittany.
Rachel, we're putting it in a different pan because the other one was too big.
Oh, yeah, I heard. Thank you. It's nice. Oh my god. Don't do that. Oh. Oh.
Kicking Where's the box go?
What?
I think that's good. Long.
Like 30, 40 minutes.
Yeah. We're in the box. Oh, why'd you throw it out? Okay, we did it.
Can I take it off?
Okay, you can unblind yourself.
Oh thank god. I can't breathe.
Huh? Oh my god, I can hear
Oh!
it. Oh, your
Where am
mascara. Your mascara. Oh.
Oh.
That was entertaining. Oh, I have Pringles. Let's go.
Yummy. Success.
Looks amazing.
Yeah, he's pretty fun. Yeah, they did great. Even though Rachel was just sitting there. Literally, the entire time I just turned around, Rachel's like, didn't move once.
Three, 2, 1.
So it's called fitness.
Oh god.
That's pretty good.
Mmm.
It's kind of hot.
It's good.
Need some milk with this.
Oh yeah.
What kind of milk?
Wait. Well, me too.
Good. Which brownies are better? The ones you guys made? Or they?
Definitely these.
But at least it was made with love.
It was definitely made with some type of love. Maybe divorced parents' love, but
It's a Sophia one.